It has a star. No. It itches you and you're like, this is not thin, guys. Mind blowing. Someone pulls this string right here. इकहत्तर बहत्तर तिहत्तर चौहत्तर छिहत्तर 345 312 रुपए मात्र 200
Like if you guys know, मीशो में ऐसा होता है कि you order something and you get something delivered.
Hello you guys, this is Twinkle Jane and welcome back to my channel. Online shopping is always a risk, especially when the prices are too good to be true. So I ordered 8 dresses from Meesho and all of them are under 400 rupees. Can you believe that? So this is a full of what I ordered versus what I got. No filters, no fake reactions, only honesty.
कभी कभी लगता है कि आप उन्हीं भगवान हैं।
Without further ado, let's get into the video. Here is my first dress. This is a red bodycon slit dress. It's full length, so I can't show it, but yeah, here it's full length. The material of this dress is lycra material. The quality of the dress is amazing. It fits me perfectly. This was priced at 312 rupees. Can you believe that? I would rate this dress a solid 8 because look at it. Next up, we have this cute bodycon dress. Material of this dress is like poly plus lycra. It fits me perfectly, as you can see. The quality is also superb. I really love this dress. But you know what? I never ordered this. What? I ordered this, which was priced at 418 rupees, and they delivered me this. I would rate this dress 9 maybe for the pricing and the quality, but the seller
चीटिंग करता है तू।
Next up, we have this black shimmery bodycon dress. The material is velvet. Under say it's poly cotton. The quality is okayish, like थोड़ा और अच्छा हो सकता था. It's not like premium velvet, but okay velvet. इसके ऐसे धागे निकल रहे हैं. जब जब एक एक तारा गिर रहा है, इसके धागे निकल जा रहे हैं. It fits me perfectly, as you can see. This was priced at 276 rupees. I would rate this 6 out of 10 because of not that good quality, but again 276 rupees में आपको क्या ही मिलेगा?
बात तो सही है।
To wear once or twice maybe, because तारे निकल जाओगे तो आप क्यों पहनोगे वापस? So it's not a bad deal, a good deal. This one is my personal favorite because A, it's in pink color. Second, it gives you baddie vibes. The material of this dress is lycra. The quality is really good and it fits me perfectly. Wow! And it gives me baddie vibes. So this was priced at 345 rupees. I love Meesho. Like, look at the dress. And I would rate this 10 out of 10. I mean, look at it. 345 रुपए में और क्या ही चाहिए? Look at this dress. It is... have one of my favorite dress again. So talking about the material, it's again lycra material and the quality is also good. Again, it fits me perfectly. This is priced for 319 rupees. It's unbelievable. And this hand stocking thing comes with the dress, so you don't have to buy it alag se. I love it. I would rate this dress a solid 10 again. It's in black color. Wow. And it's one of my favorite dresses. Next up, we have this dress. It's a floral printed bodycon again. This is more like beach dress, I would say. The material of this dress is lycra again. ऐसा लगता है मीशो के सब ड्रेसेस lycra है या फिर I am the one who likes lycra dress. The quality of this dress is good. It fits me perfectly. Again, the fitting is good. And this was priced at 277 rupees. And I would rate this dress 6. Why? Because top side of the dress मैंने इसे यहाँ पे बांधा है. It's not like this. It's something like this. So it is technically like this. It's worn like this. Practically speaking, I will not be comfortable wearing this dress because just imagine मैं कहीं हूँ बाहर on a beach or in a club partying and someone just comes and pull this up. I'm gone.
समझ रहे हो समझ रहे हो आप समझ रहे हो ना
हाँ, अगर वो यहाँ कुछ हुक वगैरह दे देते जिससे I'm secured here and then I'm tying the knot, or this is like a knot could just be ऊपर से एक चीज and it would all already be packed, तो ज़्यादा better लगता. Yeah, that's why I would give this a 6 out of 10 because practically this dress is not practical for me. Next up, we have this dress. It's a black dress with some red flowers on it. The material of this dress is georgette. It has this elasticity at the back side, so you can easily wear it. The quality of the dress is like a little see-through. Like, it's not bad, but it's not the best, I would say. It fits me perfectly. Again, body hugging dress. I love the fitting. This was priced at 335 rupees, guys. Can you believe it? I would give this dress 7 out of 10. I like the dress. It's not like I don't like it, but it's like very simple. And अगर मीशो में इतने कम प्राइस में इतने अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े मिल रहे, so compared to them, this is a little less than them. Last but not the least, we have this black bodycon. The material of this dress is lycra again. The quality is average. Again, it fits perfectly. It's a bodycon, like what do you expect? Which is priced at 352 rupees. This is a very good dress जो बाहर ऐसे खुले खुले कपड़े पहन के नहीं जाना चाहते. So for them, it's really good. I would give this dress a solid 8. Like, it's hands down good. So that is it for today's Meesho haul. 8 dresses all under 400 rupees with real good finds and one little surprise? Let me know in the comments which dress was your favorite. And also tell me what you want my next haul to be. I've added links to all the products in description box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.